Before Nigeria had 36 states, before Abuja became the capital, 4 cities shaped the destiny of an entire nation: Enugu, Ibadan, Kaduna, Benin City. These were not just cities, they were the capital of powerful regions. But what do they look like in 2026? This is the untold story of Nigeria's original regional capitals. In 1936, Enugu was born from coal, but by 1954, it became something far greater: the capital of Nigeria's eastern region, governing today's southeast and south-south. From this city, legends like Nnamdi Azikiwe shaped Nigeria's nationalist struggle. By 2026, Enugu has evolved into a modern administrative capital, cleaner, greener, and more organized than most Nigerian cities. The old colonial quarters of Independence layout now coexist with luxury estates, flyovers, and expanding university districts. Yet, Enugu's true strength lies not in concrete, but in identity. It remains the emotional capital of Igboland, the city where Eastern Nigeria first found political voice. Enugu's key 2026 identity remains regional governance, education, and civil service hub, fast-growing hospitality, and real estate city. Before Lagos became Nigeria's economic nerve center, Ibadan was the powerhouse of the West. In 1952, it became the capital of Western region, the largest political region in Africa at the time. Ibadan was not just a city, it was an empire, home to Africa's first skyscraper, Cocoa House, home to University of Ibadan, home to political giants who reshaped the future of Yoruba civilization. In 2026, Ibadan is no longer just historic, it is strategic with express rail to Lagos, booming suburbs, and massive real estate expansion. Ibadan has quietly become Southwest's fastest growing mega metro. Ibadan's key 2026 identity: academic capital of Nigeria, Western Nigeria's urban backbone, affordable megacity alternative to Lagos. If Ibadan ruled the west, Kaduna ruled the north, a region that once stretched from Niger Republic to Cameroon border. In 1917, Kaduna was chosen as the capital of northern Nigeria, replacing Zengeru. It became the administrative headquarters of the largest territory under British rule in Africa. By 2026, Kaduna stands transformed, rail link to Abuja, hosting new industrial parks, modern roads, and rapidly expanding satellite towns. Yet, beyond infrastructure, Kaduna remains Nigeria's most politically strategic city, the bridge between the Muslim North and the Christian Middle Belt, between tradition and modern statehood. Kaduna's key 2026 identity: political nerve center of northern Nigeria, military and industrial hub, transit gateway to Abuja and the north. In 1963, Nigeria created its first new region, the Midwest region, carved out of the old Western region. Its capital was in Benin City, one of Africa's oldest continuously inhabited cities. This was not just a political capital. Benin City was the spiritual heart of the ancient Benin Kingdom, a civilization that produced bronze works admired across Europe centuries before colonial contact. By 2026, Benin City is emerging as a major southern logistic hubs, connecting Lagos, Onitsha, Asaba, and Warri. New roads, industrial zones, and private universities are reshaping its skyline. But unlike most Nigerian cities, Benin has preserved something rare: continuity. Tradition still breathes through its streets, palaces, and rituals. Benin's key 2026 identity: cultural capital of southern Nigeria, logistic and trade corridor city, gateway between west and east. Long before Nigeria became a federation of 36 states, it was governed by four capitals: Enugu, Ibadan, Kaduna, and Benin City. These cities were not merely administrative centers, they were civilization headquarters. Even today, in 2026, every Nigerian political structure, state capitals, geopolitical zones, federal systems, traces its roots back to these four cities. They built Nigeria's universities. They produced its founding politicians. They hosted the first industrial revolution. And though Abuja now stands as Nigeria's capital, these four cities remain the emotional capital of their regions. Nigeria's story was not born in Abuja. It was born in Enugu, in Ibadan, in Kaduna, in Benin City. And in 2026, these cities still stand, not as relics of history, but as living witnesses to a nation's journey. This is the story of Nigeria's regional capitals. Before Nigeria had states, before Abuja, these cities ruled a nation: Enugu, Ibadan, Kaduna, and Benin City. And in 2026, they still stand, not as relics of history, but as living witnesses to Nigeria's journey. If this story inspired you, like this video, subscribe to 1010 Media, and share it with every Nigerian who believes in our history and our future. Drop a comment. Which of these cities shaped Nigeria the most? This is 1010 Media, telling Africa's stories the right way.